Hi, so let us discuss about sendKeys method in Selenium WebDriver. The sendKeys method is used to enter text, numbers or keyword keys like enter, tab, etc. into the web element such as input boxes, input areas or file upload fields. Why sendKeys method is important? The reason is if you want to enter a text like entering the typing or username or password or search text. Here we are look at this website. This is website of Heroku. Here we are going to enter the username and password and login button by using the send keys method. So to fill the if you want to fill the web forms automatically by using the send keys method, it means automating the login forms or registration forms, etc. Third, to simulate keyword actions, it means press keys like enter, tab, backspace using the keys class. If you want to upload the file, send a file path directly. So go into this code and look at that. This is the program of the send keys method. So here only one class and only one method. This method is main method, public static void main string arguments. Here we are writing one line WebDriver equals to new Chrome driver is for launching the empty Chrome browser. WebDriver is nothing but the interface. Driver is a variable. New Chrome driver, new is the keyword and Chrome driver is a class. Driver.get, it navigate to the Heroku website. This is launch the browser of login page. Thread.sleep is for stop for 2 seconds on the web page. This line is for maximize the browser. Driver.manage.windows.maximize. Web element. By using this web element, we are going to find the web element on the web page. By using this is the username. Driver.find element by XPath. Here we are finding the XPath by using the XPath locator. This is the type of locator. There are 8 types of locator: ID, name, class name, tag name, link text, partial link text, type, and XPath. There are 2 types of XPath: relative and absolute. Absolute XPath is copied by the computer from the root of the node, but this is the relative XPath we are writing manually. That's why we called it relative. So let us see that how to find the XPath. Go on this web page. By right clicking on this web page, inspect that element. If you we are going to find the web element on this web page, then right then click on that and go on the username field. Then this particular username, we are finding this particular username, then we are only go on this arrow and click on this username. This line is come. Input is the tag name, class is the attribute name, and this is the attribute value. By using any this any value you are using to find the XPath, we are using the this name equals to email. The syntax of XPath is double forward slash tag name means input, attribute name is name, and attribute value is email. By using this, we are finding the username on this web page. Control plus F, and then tag name is, what is the tag name? Input. is the tag name. This input is the tag name, double forward slash, here double forward slash input is the tag name, in bracket at the rate, the attribute name is name and email is the attribute value. Control plus C, then attribute name is name equals to attribute value is paste. Here we are finding the web element uniquely. Copy this XPath and paste within the send keys. Here in this portion, in this field, we are paste this XPath. This for username XPath, and this all the XPath stored in the username. By using this username, we are send the keys. This is the send keys method. Here we are on a repeat send keys. Then in send keys, we are going to type abhi at the rate 123 abhi 123 at the rate gmail.com, then semicolon. Control plus S save. This send keys method is go on this field and enter here. Automatically entered this. We are type this automatically entered in username field. Then stop for 2 seconds to load the element. Then we are finding the another web element. Same process we are repeating. Go go on to this arrow, click on password, then here the tag name is input, name is attribute name and password is attribute value, then double forward slash input is the tag name at the rate, name is attribute value, attribute name and attribute value is. Here we are copy again because we are already copied another thing. Name is password. Copy that and paste within this portion. Here we are finding uniquely this is the X path. Copy this X path and paste within this web element. Password is the reference variable driver.find element by XPath. Here we are paste this in this field. This is password field. All the kind of things is storing in the password, and we are password dot send is abhijit at the rate 7. This abhijit at the rate 7 value automatically comes here. After that we need to click on this login button. Then we are also finding the login button XPath. Click on this XPath. First you are clear that, then after that you go on to this login. Here button is the attribute name, button is the tag name and type or name. This is the type submit. Here we are copy that, button is the tag name and type, double forward slash button and at the rate type equals to. Here we are finding the XPath uniquely. Copy this and paste within this portion. Web element driver dot find element by XPath. In this field, we are going to paste this XPath. This is for web element on web page. This is login button web element on web page. Then this is stored in this element. By using this element variable, we are clicked on or submit on this button, click on login button. Then we are going to quit the browser by using the quit method. Then we are only show line कि all the program is successfully run. This username and password entered successfully and clicked on the login button. We are going to run the program, then look at what is happening. Okay, let us see what is happening. First, empty Chrome browser is running. After that, navigate to the heroku.com website and login page should become. After that, maximize the browser, then username entered successfully, password successfully entered, then login button, then successful. Here you are able to see that username and password entered successfully and clicked on the login button, means our program is run successfully. Thank you for watching this video.